When an iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo, start with the no data path. Force restart first, then use recovery update before any restore. Press volume up, press volume down, then hold the side button. Keep holding for 10 to 15 seconds, even if the Apple logo appears again. If the iPhone reaches the lock screen, the force restart worked and did not erase data, charge it, free storage, and avoid interrupting the next update. If the logo loop continues, connect the iPhone to a computer with a reliable cable. Open Finder on Mac or Apple devices or iTunes on Windows. With the iPhone connected, repeat volume up, volume down, then hold side. Keep holding until the Connect to Computer recovery screen appears. When the computer offers update or restore, choose update first. Update reinstalls iOS while trying to keep your data. Restore erases the iPhone. If the download takes more than about 15 minutes, the iPhone may exit recovery mode. Let the download finish, then repeat the recovery steps. If update cannot finish, buttons do not work, or the iPhone keeps returning to the logo, use service or a backup-based restore plan. Scan the full guide.